Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. It's another cooking special where I cook something with beer instead of regular stuff or whatever. Today I'm making scones, and I've got some castor sugar there, self-raising flour, cream, and sultanas. And there's lemonade scones, but instead of lemonade, I've got whatever is in this bottle, which turns out to be beer, and it looks like a stout in this case. So I'm making scones with stout. Maybe it'll be nice and hot. Oh, and a little bit of salt there as well. Nice hearty scones. Let's get started on them, shall we? So, this is, I think, 1/4 of a cup of castor sugar that I'm just sort of sifting there, which I think you don't have to do, but I'm not much of a cook. Okay, now we've got a cup of flour and another cup of flour, so that's 2, if my counting is correct, and that is also going to be sifted, and down she goes, and then I guess poke out the last little guys. And that is, I think, my half teaspoon of salt that I'm using. So, those are the dry ingredients, I guess. That all gets mixed around. And next in is the cream. I'm using light cream for no particular reason. Maybe I'm making healthy beer scones. I don't know. Anyway, cream. And, oh yeah, here's the beer. So that looks like, that was half a cup of cream, and this is a half a cup of beer, and there's some left over for me. And so I'll mix that around until it turns all nice and well, just like that. And now it's time for sultanas. That looks like about the right amount of sultanas, so I'll mix those in as well. Or maybe it's not quite the right amount. Maybe that's the right amount of sultanas to go in there. I guess you could use whatever you like, but anyway, it's all mixed, and now I'm trying to make it into these little bowl things to go into the oven. There's one, there's another one. Yeah, this is the difficult part. Oh, this is the fancy bit though. Look at me putting milk on to make them turn all brown and stuff when they go in. So, into the oven they go. That's at 220 degrees for 12 minutes. And then 12 minutes later, I'll pull them out, steam up the camera, and decide they're not quite done, put them in for another couple of minutes, and now this time I think that they are done. So there we go. That's my beer scones, all nice and stouty little beer scones. I'm making these for a work thing we've got on tomorrow. So, well, there's a lot of people at work, and I got a lot of leftover ingredients. So here's the rest of the cream, and it looks like I drank all the stout, but that's okay. I've got a IPA to try as well. So I've got IPA scones and stout scones, and well, I'll tell you that after the work thing, some people really liked them. Like, some people kept going back and back. Other people, they tried them and they're like, I can't really do it. Also, you could definitely tell the taste difference. Some people like the stout one, some people like the IPA one. So, don't really know what to say. But anyway, it was pretty successful overall. So, hey, why not make beer scones? It's a thing. It's a thing. It worked. That was the main thing. It actually worked. They came out all right, I thought, and I didn't know what was going to happen. But anyway, beer scones. Hooray! Like and subscribe.